Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your English class and today we are going to start unit number 4 of your grammar club. So you need to open your books at page 27. The topic of this unit is passives by using the past simple and by. Look at the pictures here. There was a big storm last night and there was lightning and hail. There were very strong winds. Next picture shows that a window was broken at our school. The library floor was flooded. 3 trees were blown down and 2 cars were damaged. Now you notice that in these sentences, the object is being given importance and the third form or the past participle form is used in these sentences. Understand? Now let's see what are passive verbs. We can use passive verbs to describe something that happened without saying who or what performed the action. In these sentences, the object is given importance and the object takes the place of subject. Helping verb to be, was and were is used, and then a verb form of past participle is used in passive sentences. Now look here, a window was broken. A window is actually an object, but it has taken the place of subject here. A window was broken. Third form, past participle. Window is subject here, was to be, and broken, past participle. 2 cars were damaged. 2 cars as a subject, to be helping verb, and damaged, past participle. Now come to the next, regular verbs and irregular verbs. As in the passive sentences, we used past participle form of verb. So you must know what are regular verbs and what are irregular verbs. Now in case of regular verbs, their conjugation follows the same pattern and we make the past participles using ed at the end of base form. While in case of irregular verbs, their conjugation does not follow the same pattern, but it has different patterns in different words when we make the simple past and past participles. Now look at the examples of regular verbs and irregular verbs. Flood. Flood is regular verb, so we make the past participle by joining ed at the end. Flooded. Clean, cleaned. Bake, baked. Paint, painted. Mend, mended. Invent, invented. And now come to the next side. Irregular verbs are those which they follow the different conjugation pattern like find, found, steal, stolen, leave, left, build, built, make, made, take, taken. Now you notice that their past participle have followed the different pattern. Now come to the next. What are active and passive sentences? Sentences can be active or passive. In an active sentence, the subject is the thing or person that performs the action, or it is the doer of the action. Look at the active sentence. A hailstone broke this window. Now, hailstone is subject, broke verb, and this window is object. When we change a sentence from active to passive, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence, and we don't need to mention that who is the doer or who is performing the action. Now the passive sentence is the window was broken during the storm. Now here you notice that we are not concerned by the person that by anyone who has broken the window. So here the object window is given importance and it has taken the place of subject. In the passive sentence, we are talking about the same thing as in the active sentence. Now here exercise is given exercise B. Underline the verbs in these sentences and then write either it is active or passive. Now, first of all, you have to underline the verbs. These kittens were found in Aladdin Park. Now, found is the verb here. You have to underline were found, and it is a passive sentence. Next is a boy found these kittens in Aladdin Park. Found again, underline found, and it is an active sentence. Yes. Next is someone left this bag on the bus. Someone left this bag on the bus. So it is again active. Next, this bag was left on the bus. This is passive sentence. The caretaker cleaned the classroom. The caretaker cleaned the classroom last night. The classroom was cleaned last night. And this sentence is passive. This photograph was taken in 1972. This is passive. Someone took this photograph in 1972. This is active. Okay. Number 1 is passive. Number 2, active. Number 3, active. Number 4, passive. Number 5, active. Number 6, passive. Then again passive. And last one is active. Now come to the next. Next exercise C. Underline the subject, verb and object in the active sentences and write S for the subject. Number 1, active sentence. Dave broke a glass in the party. A glass was broken during the party. Now we are not concerned by the person who broke the glass. Next one, someone stole Dania's bicycle yesterday. Dania's bicycle was stolen yesterday. Some people built this house in 1984. This house was built in 1984. Some people made this camera in Japan. This camera was made in Japan. No, we are not concerned by the person or the people who made that camera in Japan. So in case of passive sentences, we don't bother either we use the person who is performing the action or not, or otherwise we can write passives without using the subject of the sentence. Okay. Now up till now we have completed exercise C of unit number 4, and you need to prepare yourself for the test next time and be ready. We will do a test and I'll give you an assessment. You need to prepare yourself very well. Hope you will enjoy good time. Okay, Allah Hafiz.